It's a story we've been tracking for months. Governor Matt Bevin and Attorney General Andy Beshear are letting the state's highest court settle their dispute over state funding for public colleges. WKYT's Phil Pendleton is outside the Kentucky Supreme Court, where oral arguments continue. Phil?
Court began about 10 o'clock this morning. It just ended a few moments ago. The justices heard arguments from both the governor and the attorney general with their respective attorneys. We're also hearing from an attorney with the Kentucky State Treasurer. Now, at issue is Governor Bevin's executive order last spring to trim 4.5% from university budgets. The attorney general filed a lawsuit saying the governor acted illegally because those spending decisions are solely up to the legislature. The Franklin Circuit Court judge ruled in favor of the governor, saying he acted within his duties, but now the Supreme Court has the issue as it was appealed. An attorney for the attorney general says the case goes directly to the separation of power. He says it does show the legislature has the standing of power it needs. An attorney for the governor argued that the adoption of a budget is the role of the legislature, but the executive branch, the governor, has the right to administer those funds. Now, the attorney for the attorney general questioned how paying staff and college teachers is irresponsible, and he says the Constitution requires the legislature is the body to find common ground. Bevin's attorney said in this case the governor simply has used the ability to spend less money. We're going to have a lot more on this, still trying to go through all the facts and the arguments that were presented this morning. Much more later today, but for now in Frankfort, Phil Pendleton, WKYT.